If your company does not already have a Handshake profile, after verifying your email, the next page will give you the option to create a new company profile. Click the Create New Company button and fill in the required information on the next page. Type out your company name and the legal company name if they are different. Add your company logo and branding images. The company logo is a unique and easily recognizable graphic image that identifies your company. Click Add a Logo, and then click Upload New Image, and select the logo image you'd like to use from your computer files. The logo should be at least 150 by 150 pixels, and no larger than 400 by 400 pixels. Once you've chosen your logo, adjust the image size if desired by using the widgets in the toolbar, and click Save. The branding image should be distinct from your logo. Usually, the branding image will be similar to that of a banner, displaying the company logo, tagline, or a call to action message. Click Add a Branding Image, click Upload a New Image, and select the branding logo you'd like to use from your company files. A ratio of 4:1 to 5:1 is best, and the minimum size is 1200 by 300. Click Select Image, adjust the image size if desired by using the widgets in the toolbar, and click Save. Select the most relevant industry to your company, as students will filter by industry while searching for jobs. Enter in the company website and make sure this link works. Begin typing your company street address in the location. Handshake does not recognize PO boxes or suite numbers, so we recommend just typing the street number, name, city, and state in which you are located. Next, select the country, and then type in a description for your company. Students use the description to learn more about your company. Include your company's mission, fast facts, company culture, and any other information potential applicants would be interested in. Fill out the remainder of the information required, and then select Create New Company. If you enter an EIN, you will be prompted to enter additional information to verify your identity. This is reviewed by Handshake's Trust and Safety team. Ensure all the entered information is correct. If you don't submit an EIN, you will be redirected to this page. Once your company is verified by Handshake, you will receive an email allowing you to log in and begin using your new account. You're ready to start recruiting on Handshake. Watch the other videos in this playlist to learn more about posting jobs, messaging students, and registering for career fairs.